How can we choose best opal? Well, the color grading rule of Ethiopian opal is: brighter the color, more valuable. The Ethiopian opal, with red being one of the most valuable and rare color flash out of the lot, followed by blue and green. How can we judge which opal is best for? The most valuable Ethiopian opals are those with transparent color, a good even cut, a larger size, and intense color flashes throughout in every color of the rainbow. The exception to this rule is patterned Ethiopian opal. Does water damage Ethiopian opal? If you do own an Ethiopian opal, we do not recommend exposing it to water, excessive heat, or any type of chemicals including hand soap and washing detergent. Be extra careful with your Ethiopian opal with exposure to water, heat, humidity, and it will last a lifetime. Which color is expensive in opal? Ethiopian opals are valued based on their bright flashes of fire color. The brighter and more intense the color, the higher the price of the opal. Stones with red flashes are rarer than the other colors, while the green and blue flashes are more common. What is the benefits of opals? Opal can be used to effectively treat both infections and fevers. Opal also helps to improve the immune system. Opal is especially helpful for those who suffer from a chronic condition. Treatment for medical conditions like stomach and eye disorders is highly helpful. 5 amazing facts about opal. Opal is October's birthstone, as well as the gemstone for the 14th anniversary. Opal ranks as a 5.5 to 6.5 on the Mohs scale. Opal originates in the ground as the result of seasonal rain. Opals are generally classified into 2 broad categories: precious and common. If this video helped to grow your information about opal,